bugging me, this camera. It's going beep beep. I don't know why. It's just like doing mini videos at the moment. Like little mini videos. It's knocking off. Doing a bit, then knocking off. Yeah, guys. Today we're not having a big walk. We're just having a little walk around the streets. This is our little walk of the afternoon, everyone. Come on. What's going on here now? We have come here. Is that a blue work van? Is he still at it? Is that police? Right, just have a little walk up here. Seems to be a policeman cordoning the street off here. Don't know what's going on, everyone. What's going on? Oh my god, there's a police car. He's like zooming up here now. Hi everyone. Reporting from Ripondon Road. Water shedding. Seems to have, the police are here. Here we are on our leisurely walk. Right. Police gone down that way. There's a policeman there. Don't know what's going on. Oh, Teddy Bedlam, what's going on? Wow. Wow. Right, police whizzing down. We have police whizzing down that way, guys. And the police van there, guys. I was just going to hang around and be nosy. What's going on? So let's wait and see what's going on and be nosy. What's going on? It's very... Wait. We're being nosy. Hi everyone. You're watching Teddy Bedlam TV. And, oh, that was close there. Hi everyone. You're watching Teddy Bedlam TV with Lisa and Teddy Bedlam on a Monday. And yes, we have some activity, everyone. The policemen are on Ripondon Road, but we don't know what is going on. Haven't a clue. We're just going to have a walk up this road, and then we'll have a walk back down the road. He's being a good boy, aren't you? He's being a right good boy. I don't know what's going on, do we? Mia? Oh yeah, I don't know whether to turn around and be nosy. So do we turn around and... Oh, there's policemen there. What's that? Do you think we should turn around and be nosy? What's going on up here? It's, what's it? Oh, there's tons of cars. Hi everyone, you're watching Teddy Bedlam TV on Monday, and the police are out and everyone. Come here, come on, I'm not going that way. Let's walk, come. Nice. at the state of this. What is going on? What's going on, guys? Very interesting. These guys. Very interesting activity. Another one sped up, guys. Lots of police going up, guys. I mean, lots of police, and we have a police van here. Haven't got a clue what's happening, guys, but there is something. Whoa, you just drove over that traffic cone. Drove over the traffic cone then. Come here. We're not going over there today. We'll go down, down, down. What's going on with it all, do you know? What's going on with it all, do you know? I've just walked up, I thought, we're going to go that way, but I thought, we'll walk back down, my nosy. I don't know what they're doing, they've just sped up there now, like, chasing. Oh, helicopters will be out next, won't they? It's mental, innit? What is going on? It's a bit mad. Bit of a mad happenings today, guys. You want to go over there, don't you? You want to go over there? You want to go over there? Well, I'll take you over there then. Is that it? Yeah, we can go. We'll have a little walk on the craft. There might be some activity. Poulter come here, he's a monkey, isn't he? He's pulling now. He's pulling me now where he wants to go. He's only just started doing that, guys, but he did not want to walk back down the main road there. He did not want to walk back down the main road. So he pulls now, he's like, I want to go this way, and I'm like, no, come on, this way. He's never done that. That is a brand new thing he has started to do, everyone. Yeah, it's been kind of an exciting one, all the police buzzing about round here. What's going on? Someone's done something, haven't they? And we're out here, but we're not scared. There could be a rapist around or anything, a murderer. And yeah, guys, there could be a murderer hiding away in the trees or anything. There, right at the side of me. See? He won't leave me alone. Dog winged today, everyone. Whoa. Hello. Yeah. Oh, he's